Pinterest marketing update 2021. Guys, give me a few minutes and I want to go through some things I've learned about Pinterest marketing update that I should have passed on to you guys a long time ago. Give me a few minutes and I will share with you some of the things that I've learned about Pinterest marketing update. Stay tuned. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, let's just start the training. Tonight, I want to talk about Pinterest update 2021. Let me tell you this, guys. This update that I'm talking about, that I just read in the email a couple of nights ago, it's been updated since September of 2020. So now in 2021, I decided I want to discuss it with my audience on my YouTube channel. Guys, let me tell you something. If you're taking Pinterest marketing serious, you really need to stay abreast on the updates. And you know what? That is my bad. I missed out on the update because I wasn't paying attention. So guys, let's just talk about the updates and I'll spend a few minutes discussing this with you. Now guys, Pinterest is evolving and Pinterest has an algorithm, if you're familiar with it, just like Google, guys. Google have an algorithm that gives updates. And if you trying to do that as a part of your business, guys, you have to stay abreast of that. So in my personal opinion, let me just be straight with you. Pinterest is trying to eliminate the spammers, guys. They want people who trying to follow their program and do things right. And if you're one of those guys, you will benefit from that, because a lot of people are lazy and they not gonna want to do the things that is required to be an effective marketer on Pinterest. So let's just talk about a few of them. I won't go into all of them, guys, but first of all, before we go into this, the first thing you guys need, you need a course. If you had a course will keep you abreast of all the updates, guys. This is what these guys get paid for. And I'll have a couple of the courses that I recommend, that I highly recommend if you want to be successful in Pinterest, below. But the first thing we need to talk about, we're going to talk about optimization, guys. You want to optimize your profile. That's the first thing you need to talk about. If you looked at some of my videos previously, the optimization of your profile is still there. You really need to optimize your profile, optimize it correctly. And if it's not correctly, re-optimize it. If it's not doing anything, re-optimize it. If it's not getting no traffic, just re-optimize it. And then the next thing, we need to talk about the boards, guys. Let's talk about the boards. Your boards got to be keyword rich. And let me be specific with you. You don't have to have a lot of boards. That's my mistake. I used to have a lot of boards. You don't have to have a lot of boards. Guys, you want to have a board that is dealing with the actual niche that you're presenting, and all your pins within that board is related to that keyword wise in it. You don't want to have a board and pins within that board that's not related. You won't go up in the search engine in Pinterest that way. So what you want to do is optimize your boards and optimize it right. Sprinkle a few keywords in the description. Okay, now let's get to the pins. When you decide to place those pins within that board, those pins need to be relevant to that board. And now let's get to the pins. And this really blew my mind. It changed my strategy up just this week, guys. Pinterest do not want the same pin let me tell you what I mean by the same pen. All right, say you got an image and you got the same image, but you tweak it a little bit, but it's the same image and you tweak it here and tweak it there. So let's just say this, you create a blog post, but you want to create 3 different pens to see which pen does better than the other pen, okay? But you have 3 pens and 3 of the same images, but you just do it a little bit different to make it look different. No, guys, that's not what they want now. They want 3 different images, okay? 3 different titles, 3 different description, guys. Yeah, that takes a lot of work to do that. Let me tell you what's going on. They are getting rid of the spammers, guys. And if you plan on changing it and being an effective Pinterest marketer, guys, you're going to make the change. Everybody's not going to make the change. So if you do it correctly, your stuff will go up in Pinterest search engine. And then another thing, when you got the same stuff out there, do you not realize your pen can get spidered in Google search? Can you imagine that? So you getting traffic within the Pinterest algorithm, and then you getting traffic through Google algorithm. That's double traffic, guys. That's why you want to make a change. So that's why I wanted to create this video, because I wanted to give my subscribers some updates who have subscribed to my channel, who's dealt with Pinterest or trying to do Pinterest marketing. And a lot of people don't have patience with Pinterest marketing. But let me tell you something. Pinterest marketing is a long haul method. You have to be in for the long haul. But one thing I can tell you about Pinterest marketing, guys, the traffic lasts a lot longer than it is on Facebook. Facebook is a type of algorithm that is kind of geared for paid marketing. But this one is basically another form of SEO. But the thing that I like about it, you know, when you used to have to try to get your blog posts ranked in the search engine, and then your blog didn't have the authority. Well, Pinterest itself is an authority figure, guys. It is an authority figure. So when you start doing all these SEO tactics correctly, your pins will go up and you will start getting a lot of traffic. So this is a learning curve for me. So when I learn something new, I want to pass it on to my subscriber, guys. Guys, I just want to do this little training to show you what changes has came in Pinterest. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. And like I said, I will have links to some things below. Oh, by the way, when it comes to titles, I got a little tool that I use, and I'll link the video that I create a video on how to create a lot of different titles, so you can always have those ready available, and they let you know how good people will click on it, because you want to have catchy titles where people will click on it. And then I have another tool that can help you create descriptions, and you can create your different descriptions and cut your time down and go through and correct it in grammar and make sure it's right and make sure it's keyword rich, so you can go and beat this search engine thing, guys. So guys, I hope a little bit of this training is great for you. And later on, sometime in the next week or so, I will do a actual screen presentation on the way I do it, guys. Guys, take care. Want to cut this video short. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Be blessed, my friends.